Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today is another for the series Helga's Happy Holidays. What I'm making today is the very super easy no-bake cookies. I always loved these when my mom made these. Oatmeal, chocolate, peanut butter. Doesn't get much better than that. So these are really simple and they're bakeless. No oven time, they're quick, they're easy, and most people enjoy them. Even if they don't, I do. So I'm going to bring you along and we'll get these mixed up. Simple. Vanilla, cocoa powder, milk, sugar, oatmeal, peanut butter, and butter. That's it. First thing we're going to do is combine our first 4 ingredients, and you're going to do this in a saucepan like I have here over a medium to medium low heat. And we're going to put in the stick of butter. We're going to put in our half a cup of milk. Our cocoa powder and our sugar. Now we're going to whisk this, and we're going to keep whisking it to get this all incorporated as it melts here, and it doesn't take long. We're going to do this until it comes up to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, you want to boil it for 1 minute. Okay, here we are at the boil point. 1 minute on the boil. Remember, you want to be stirring this whole time while it's at the boil, otherwise it'll scorch. And we're done. Now I'm going to take it off the heat. And we're going to add our other ingredients quick, and that is our peanut butter, our vanilla. I'm going to stir this in quick. Oh man, you want to smell this. Get that peanut butter all melted in. Oh man, it smells good. And then we add our oats. And those are just Quaker oat quick oats. Now, once this cools down, this will start setting up fairly quickly. We're going to drop these by spoonfuls. You can either do it onto a greased cookie sheet, or what I'm going to use is actually a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Here's our mixture, so you can see that really good. And I'm just going to take nice spoonfuls and put them on our sheet like that. And I'm just going to put these in the refrigerator to cool. There we go. So, like I said, put these, you can see they're already kind of warming up. I'm going to put these in the refrigerator to cool, and we'll come back when they're set and chilled. So here they are, all done. You see, they hardened up nice, and it didn't take long. Made 2 trays like this. You can see here, we've got the other tray, and I'm going to plate these up, and well, you know what comes next. So they're done. Here I have them plated up. see them quick. And it's taste test time. And I cheated. Mike and I already had one. So this is what they look like. And they don't look fancy. They aren't fancy looking. But they're really yummy. These freeze really well. So I'll often make a batch of these and freeze them. My canine vacuum cleaner showed up. I'll freeze these to have for later because they do freeze well, they do store well. So they're really a nice cookie to make ahead. But if they last that long. Oh man. Chocolate, peanut butter, oatmeal, delicious. It's another reason I freeze them. I don't want to eat them all. Although, the peanut butter and oatmeal, you know, they're like healthy, right? So, that's another one from my holiday series. Also the cookies and the easy, super easy, no-bake cookies. They're easy to whip up, and you know, this is a crowd pleaser. You know, especially if you're a busy on-the-go person, you want to do these for your kids or for friends. Total time I think takes an hour, and half of that is just sitting, over half of that is just sitting in the fridge, chilling down. That's it. Maybe 10 minutes on the stove. Can't beat that. So, my easy no-bake cookies. Enjoy. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.